Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something that saves your time. You should say what it is, when do you usually do it, why do you do it, and explain why you think it saves your time.
Sure, I'd be happy to describe something that saves me time. One thing that saves me a lot of time is using a to-do list app on my phone. I use the app to keep track of all my tasks and deadlines. I usually use the app throughout the day, adding tasks as they come up and checking off completed tasks. I also like to spend a few minutes each morning reviewing my to-do list for the day and prioritizing tasks. I use the app because it helps me stay organized and focused. Instead of trying to keep track of everything in my head, I can write it down and trust that I won't forget anything. It also helps me prioritize my tasks so I can focus on the most important things first. I think it saves me time because it reduces the amount of time I spend trying to remember what I need to do. It also helps me be more efficient with my time by focusing on the most important tasks first. Additionally, the app has a feature that allows me to set recurring tasks, which saves me even more time by eliminating the need to rewrite the same tasks every week or month. Overall, using a to-do list app is a simple but effective way to save time and be more productive. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.